Well, how you all doing out there in YouTube land? I've got myself a Samsung LE19A656ALD. It's a rose effect. Just bear with 1 second. That's it. Rose effect. LCD TV. Problem with it was no picture, no backlight, but sound. And the obvious checks. Check my voltages on the outputs, and those are all there. As you can see, all the capacitors are all fine, but somebody had been inside it and checked the, you can see there, check the main capacitor, startup filtering capacitor, but I know what it was straight away. Here's the transformer. It's a TMS92920CT, and I've checked it out, and on that side there's in there, if I can get in there, there's it gone in high in value, reading 2K. But on that side was reading 1.1. Anyway, transformer came this morning. I plugged her in, and seems to be all fine. It all comes on. I get the it's all on here. It's all soft touch. So I've got some juice in there. There we go. Should start up. And then we got ourselves a picture. No signal. And it's the rose effect colour bezel. So if you get sound, no picture, obviously check your main capacity voltages out anyway, but on this occasion I knew what it was. Bloody transformer. Usually it takes that, can you see that little fuse? Yeah, that's where the heatsink is between the transformer. Usually takes that out, but that's fine. I'm not sticking my fingers around that end, kicking out there 1.7 kilovolts. Not that stupid. Bite you. Right, that's just a little short trip on this. Any questions, any comments, please leave, and I'll catch up with you next time. Just a little quick TV repaired. Okay, well, thank you for watching.